Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Hope you all are doing well, and in this video I am going to tell you one story, and the name of the story is the value of your life. So one day a son goes to his father and says, "Father, what is the value of my life?" And then his father gives him a stone and says, "Son, if you want to know the value of your life, then take this stone and go to the market. If anyone asks the price, don't say any word, just raise up two fingers." And the son does as his father said. He goes to market. After wandering around, one lady approached him and she says, "How much is the stone?" And the boy doesn't say any word. He just raises up his two fingers. And then that lady says, $2, I will take it. And the boy is surprised and run back to his father. So, father, the woman was at the market, wanted to give me $2 for the stone. Then his father said, "Son, now I want you to go to museum. So take this stone and go to the museum. If anyone asks the price, don't say any word, just raise up two fingers." And the son does as his father said. He goes to the museum. After 20 to 30 minutes, one man approached him and he says, "How much is this stone?" And the boy doesn't say any word. He just raises up two fingers. And the man says, $200, I will take it. And the boy is again surprised. He runs back to his father and said, Father, the man was in the museum, wanted to give me $200 for this stone." And then his father said, "Son, the last time I want you to go is a precious stone store shop. So take this stone, find out the precious stone store, and if anyone asks the price, don't say any word, just raise up two fingers." And the son does as his father said. He runs off to the precious stone store shop. After finding it, he go inside it, and there was an old man at the counter. So as the man sees the stone, he got surprised. He jumps up and screams that, "Oh my God, you have this stone I have been waiting for my whole life. How much is this stone?" The boy doesn't say any word. He just raise up his two fingers. And that man says, $200,000, I will take it. The boy is surprised. He runs back to his father and said, Father, the man was at the precious stone store shop, wanted to give me $200,000 for this stone." Then his father said, "Son, now do you understand what is the value of your life? Your life is all about where you place yourself. So now you can decide if you want to be $2 stone or $200,000 stone. Because there are some people who love you and for whom you are everything, and some people who just use you and for them you will worth nothing. So it's upon you to decide what is the value of your life." So that's it, guys. So what we learned from this story, guys. So its story says that your value is totally depend on you. You think that how do I increase my value in my life, right? So there is a simple question. There is simple answer that by learning more and more. The more you learn, the more you gain knowledge. The more you gain knowledge, the more you feel confident about yourself. The more you feel confident about yourself, you feel positive and energetic, and you will take the good decision about your life with that positive mindset, right? You are the architect of your own destiny. You are the master of your own fate. You are behind the steering wheel of your own life. There is no limitation to what you can do, be or have, except the limitation you put on yourself by your own thinking, right? So be limitless, change your thinking and change your life, right? So that's it, guys. So if you like this video, please do subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, peace.